In Roblox, please donate is not a built-in feature or command. However, players often use the phrase please donate as a way to request or ask for donations from other players. Donations in Roblox usually involve virtual currency called Robux. To facilitate donations, players can create and utilize various methods within the game. One common approach is to set up a donation center or donation booth in their game. They can place a sign or message requesting donations and provide a way for players to contribute, such as by dropping Robux into a designated area or using a specific in-game currency exchange system. Additionally, players may create donation groups or social media platforms to promote their games and encourage others to donate. They may offer incentives, rewards, or special privileges to players who donate, such as exclusive in-game items or access to restricted areas. Donations in Roblox are voluntary, and players should exercise caution when participating in donation requests. It is recommended to verify the credibility and legitimacy of the individual or group before making any donations.